How long does Apple Pay take to refund to your bank account? In this video, I'll explain how long it takes for Apple Pay to process refunds to your bank account. The timing can vary depending on a few factors, so let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about the merchant processing time. After you request a refund, it usually takes around 48 hours for the merchant to process it. This is the first step in the refund process. Once the merchant has processed the refund, it moves to the banking processing time. This typically takes 1 to 3 business days for the refund to appear in your bank account. Keep in mind that if your refund is processed over a weekend or holiday, it may take longer. Banks and merchants often don't process transactions during these times, so plan accordingly. For the fastest refund, try to request it early in the week, like Monday through Wednesday. This gives the merchant and bank enough time to process the refund before the weekend. While most refunds take 1 to 3 business days, the exact timing can vary depending on your bank and the merchant. Some banks may process refunds faster, while others might take a bit longer. And that's it. Now you know how long it typically takes for Apple Pay to refund to your bank account.